Hello, kids. Welcome to a world of imagination and creativity where colors come alive and lines dance with joy. This channel is AHA, and at the end, you should say AHA.awesome when you draw yourself. You are awesome. Do you want to draw Jerry? And do you want to listen a story of Jerry the magician? Okay, let's begin. Once upon a time, in a magical world, there lived a little mouse named Jerry. Jerry had a special talent. He was a fantastic magician. With a flick of his tiny paw and a sparkle in his eyes, he could make things disappear and reappear in the most extraordinary ways. Kids from all around the world would gather to watch Jerry's enchanting performances. With the wave of his wand, he would pull colorful scarves out of thin air and make rabbits hop out of hats. Every show was filled with laughter, wonder, and pure magic. Jerry, the magnificent magician mouse, was always ready to bring a smile to children's faces with his incredible tricks. So, how would you like the story of Jerry? Let's color this Jerry as well on our drawing. I started liking it. It's so awesome colors. Do you like this Jerry? Tell on comments. Thank you.